is peshar.exe, which is a problem step recorder executable, then the last backslash, and then the file name.
The file name is the last.
Now I review again, so I place the mouse on the first input field, click it to review it again and make sure it is copied properly to the last input field, and then click on the last input field.
So you're doing the last input field and you're going to copy it. You're going to do
Let's
right
review
click.
it again in slow-mo.
Well,
First of all, pum, no garbage. Just repeat.
I'm repeating.
Click on the first input field and mark it and review it.
First, click on the top of your screen. You see an input field because it's difficult for the
let's
user.
go.
It's difficult for the user to see what is first and
Here,
what is
let's
second.
repeat it.
The
I
top,
click it and it marks it.
You click on the top under the basically under the folders, and you're going to click the path.
This is the Save As dialog box. First input field of the Save As dialog box
It's on the
contains
top.
the path
It's on
to
the
the
top.
current directory.
It's the current directory.
At the top of the second line of the screen. The first line of the screen is Save As, which is the name of the dialog box.
The name of the dialog box is Save As. Underneath it is showing you the path. The path then is a folder. To the left is a picture of a folder.
It's a folder where I'm going to save the current file to or at.
And now you've clicked that, and now you're going to go down to the bottom of the screen where it says File Name.
I move the cursor to the bottom of the screen where there's another input field that is called File Name :
File Name :
and I left click on the mouse to mark the entire string.
On the mouse.
On the mouse.
Not mouth.
Mouse.
You're going to now, it's now highlighted, and now you're going to right click and copy it.
Now I right click and then I select the copy option to copy to the clipboard buffer.
So it's copying it to the clipboard buffer. Now once it's copied, now you're going to save.
Now I'm going to click the save button.
You're going to click the save button.
And save it.
And save.
But before I continue, I want to review additional details and see what step was the last step and how many steps this file contains.
Click on the review.
So I'm going to click on the review the additional details.
Click on it, you're going to scroll up.
And now it tells me the details and I'm reading the details. Everything looks good. Okay. Notice that there is the time and date here again. So we can reconciliate all the time and dates. One that the MSN Recorder Max produced.
One is the problem step recorder.
And the other one
each recorder has its own timestamp.